Welcome. Do you know how a simple fruit like a banana can greatly benefit your health? In today's video, we will discuss amazing health benefits of bananas and explain why it is important to eat bananas every day. The consumption of fruit is a significant part of a balanced diet, providing us with vitamins, minerals, and plenty of fibers. However, when we talk about bananas, it may seem like an ordinary fruit, but it has remarkable effects on our health. At the same time, some people remain confused about eating bananas, such as people with diabetes should eat or not. Also, if you are aiming to lose or gain weight, how should you use them? We will try to address such confusions in this video. So let's start the video and explore the 8 great benefits of bananas. Number 1. Improve digestive health. Firstly, bananas make our digestive system healthy. They contain dietary fibers that improve our bowel movements and resolve problems like constipation. If we talk about less ripe bananas, they contain resistant starch that works like a prebiotic and promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria, solving many digestion related issues. Additionally, less ripe or fully ripe bananas contain pectin, which soften the stools and it helpful in addressing problems like constipation. Another striking benefit is that bananas not only eliminate constipation but also provide relief from diarrhea. They naturally bind the stools, making them thicker and providing comfort during diarrhea. Moreover, the potassium in bananas helps correct electrolyte imbalance in the body during diarrhea. Thus, whether you suffer from constipation or diarrhea, bananas can benefit you in both situations. Number 2. Nutritional values. Banana is a fruit that provides many vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B6 and vitamin C. It is also rich in minerals like magnesium, manganese and potassium. In addition, this fruit contains a lot of fiber that aids digestion and helps address sugar-related problems. It also includes numerous antioxidant, flavonoids, and some phytonutrients, contributing various health benefits. One serving of this fruit provides an average of 112 calories along with abundant carbs and fibers. Number 3. Good for bone health. In the third point, this fruit can offer significant benefits for bone health. Especially if you are over 40 when calcium deficiency becomes common, it has high level of potassium and magnesium, helping maintain strong bones, mineral density. Potassium supports proper calcium absorption in the body, while magnesium plays a crucial role in bone growth, reducing the risk of fractures as you age. Number 4. Helps with weight management. In the fourth point, the fruit helps in weight management. It is an excellent fruit that, when used properly, can aid in either weight loss or weight gain, depending on your needs. For weight loss, it contains dietary fiber that provides a feeling of fullness and helps reduce hunger, thereby lowering caloric intake. On the other hand, for those looking to gain weight, this fruit can be eaten with peanut butter, yogurt, or dried fruits to help increase weight in a healthy way. Number 5. Improves kidney health. Eating bananas improves the health of our kidneys. They help keep our kidneys healthy and enhances their function. The potassium in bananas aid in improving kidney function by maintaining the electrolyte balance in the body. Additionally, it helps to reduce formation of kidney stones. Therefore, people who wish to maintain the health of their kidneys should include bananas in their diet. However, an important reminder for individuals with chronic kidney disease or those undergoing dialysis is that they may need to limit food high in potassium such as bananas, so it is advised to consult their doctor before consuming them. Number 6. Improves heart health. Eating bananas also improves the health of our heart. As previously mentioned, bananas are high in potassium, which is essential in lowering blood pressure and maintaining good heart health. Numerous studies suggest that potassium can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Additionally, bananas contain magnesium, which is extremely important for our heart. The dietary fiber found in bananas help keep cholesterol levels low, resulting in a reduced risk of heart diseases and stroke. Number 7. Boost body energy. One of the most important benefits of eating bananas is that they provide energy to our body. Eating bananas gives a natural source of energy due to the carbohydrates they contain, making them quick to provide strength. This is especially helpful for athletes or individuals who work out regularly at the gym, as they gain significant energy from eating bananas. After exercise, banana help the body recover faster as they restore the electrolyte lost during a workout. Perhaps this is why bananas are considered a perfect food for those exercising or working out in the gym. Furthermore, they help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue after exercise. Number 8. Improving blood sugar levels. By eating bananas the right way, you can improve your blood sugar levels. Many people are confused about whether individuals with diabetes can eat bananas or not. So let's clarify this today. Bananas contain a significant amount of fiber that helps manage blood sugar levels. Raw or slightly unripe bananas have high levels of resistant starch that cannot be digested in the stomach, thereby preventing blood sugar spikes after consumption. Additionally, bananas give a feeling of fullness, which reduces the appetite and prevents frequent hunger. With all these benefits, they help prevent sudden increase in blood sugar levels, particularly in non-diabetic individuals. However, if you have diabetes, avoid consuming too many bananas at once and steer clear of overly ripe bananas. Try eating a moderately ripe banana during a meal to avoid issues with blood sugar levels. Moreover, its fiber improves the functions of insulin, which is beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. How to use? Including bananas in your diet is very easy. You can make a smoothie using them or mix them with yogurt, dried fruits, or even cereals. You can also use them as a substitute for sugar in cooking and baking. Bananas can be purchased anywhere, peeled, and eaten without washing. A common question is how many bananas should be eaten daily? The answer depends on your body needs and the health goals you wish to achieve. Normally, 1 or 2 bananas per day for an adult is a good amount. This way, your blood sugar would not be affected and excessive calories would not be added. Yet, your daily nutritional and mineral needs will be met. However, if you are physically active, you may consume 2 to 3 bananas a day. For children, 1 banana a day is enough. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.